winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Designer Suite is Mark Gacesa of Ultraspace.
This spacious master suite with interconnecting ensuite and walk-in robe is all the more remarkable for being part of an extensive renovation of a beach house on a remote island with limited access. While having to be mindful of existing plumbing, the redesign has pushed the limits of possibilities in this new layout. To create the sense of a treehouse on the beach, all the exterior walls to the new master bedroom were removed and a new deck wrapped around the room. Oversized glass panels slide back to create a massively open bedroom, allowing the space to become an integral part of the external environment. The huge curved double shower directly behind the bed includes a special plexiglass gun slot window at head height, giving views from within the shower through to the ocean. The TIDA judges felt that this was just one example of the exceptional high level of design and detailing seen throughout the entire suite. This includes the layering of the space in the front of the shower, where the vanity, bath, plinth and screened wardrobe area all demonstrate a precise selection of materials and fittings and impressive craftsmanship. Congratulations to Mark Gacesa of Ultraspace, winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Designer Suite of the Year.